New scam. This is how you can be scammed by buying goods online through payment on delivery from online vendor. Stick with me. This is Joy who want to purchase an iPhone. And this is Mike, an online scammer. Joy wanted to purchase an iPhone 13 Pro Max and then decided to go to an online platform like Instagram or Gigi. This is Mike who scam people on social media platform. Mike has an online platform on Instagram or Gigi which he have already listed an ads on iPhone 13 Pro Max on his platform. Joy saw his advert and sent him a message demanding to buy his product. Mike offers to send a rider to Joy so she can check the phone and then pay on delivery. But Joy never thought of being scammed because we have to check out her order and also pay on delivery. But that was wrong. Stick with me. After Mark and Joy have concluded and agreed for the product to be payment on delivery, then Mike the scammer goes ahead looking for a legit Instagram or Gigi vendor. Here comes Philip, a legit online vendor. Finally Mike find a legit vendor which is Philip and then send him a message telling him he wants to buy an iPhone 13 Pro Max from him. And then asked him to send a rider with the phone so he can check the phone and ensure that everything is fine before paying. Note: Mike do not send his own house address or his information to Philip, but he then send Joy address and her information to Philip, the legit vendor. So that Philip will then send his rider and the phone to Joy. Remind you, Joy do not know Philip or have anything to do with him. Joy only knows Mike the scammer, which she have been discussing with and have sent her address and phone number to him. Whereby Mark the scammer have already sent her his own account details. After the conclusion of Mike and Philip, Philip the legit vendor send his rider and the phone to Joy. When the rider gets to Joy, he then shows her the phone. Joy go through the phone and then she confirmed that everything is working perfect. Joy made her payment to Mike the scammer. After payment, Joy asked the rider to confirm if his sender have seen the payment transaction. The rider call Philip the legit vendor if he has gotten the alert. Philip say he have not gotten any alert. After some arguments, Philip and his rider ask Joy for her receipt of her transaction. Joy show him the receipt of her transaction, but unfortunately the name on the receipt is not the name of Philip the legit vendor but the name of Mike the scammer. At this point Joy have sent her money to Mike and have been blocked by Mike. So there is no way to reach out to Mike the scammer. Meanwhile the rider from Philip the legit vendor have collected the phone from Joy. So Joy is left with no phone and no money. This is how you can be scammed though payment on delivery. To prevent something like this, confirm the name of that account from both the rider and the person that sends the rider so that you can be sure that you're not sending money to the wrong person. Please share this video with as many Nigerians as you know.